In this video, we're going to show you how to make homemade emergency rations. These rations are perfect for prepping, camping, or just having a reliable backup plan for unexpected situations. By making them yourself, you control the ingredients and save money. Store-bought emergency food can be expensive and often contains preservatives. Homemade rations are not only cost-effective, but also allow you to customize them according to your dietary needs. Plus, they have a long shelf life, up to 5 years if stored correctly, making them a practical addition to any emergency kit. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need. Sugar for energy and preservation. Cornstarch as a thickening agent to hold the bars together. Honey, which acts as a natural preservative and sweetener. Flour for structure. Vegetable shortening for fat, which provides long-lasting energy. Vanilla extract for flavor. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in the longevity and nutritional value of the ration bars. First, gather all your ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, cornstarch, and flour. These dry ingredients form the base of your ration bars. Gradually add the honey and vegetable shortening. The honey not only adds sweetness, but also helps bind the ingredients together. Mix until the dough becomes thick and sticky. Then, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This step is optional, but highly recommended for flavor. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. The low temperature is key to preserving the nutrients while ensuring the mixture dries out enough for long-term storage. Spread the dough evenly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Press the dough firmly to eliminate air pockets, which can reduce the shelf life of your bars. Bake for 90 minutes. The goal here is not to cook the bars, but to remove moisture, which prevents mold and bacteria from forming. After baking, let the bars cool completely on a wire rack. This step is essential to ensure they harden properly. Once cooled, cut the bars into individual portions. A sharp knife will give you clean cuts, making it easier to store and use the bars later. Each bar should be small and dense, providing enough calories and nutrients for survival situations. To maximize the shelf life of your homemade rations, vacuum seal each bar or store them in airtight containers. Vacuum sealing is the best option as it removes all air, which can cause spoilage. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, use airtight containers with desiccant packs to absorb any moisture. Store the bars in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Check your rations every 6 months for any signs of spoilage, such as mold or discoloration. These bars are designed for emergencies, but can also be a great addition to your camping gear or as a quick snack during long hikes. They are dense and provide a lot of energy, which is crucial in survival situations. Remember, while these bars are a good source of calories, you should also have a plan for obtaining fresh water and other nutrients. Feel free to experiment with the recipe to suit your taste or dietary needs. You can add nuts, seeds, or dried fruit to increase the nutritional value and make the bars more enjoyable to eat. If you're making these for a family, consider adjusting the recipe to accommodate different preferences. Making your own emergency rations is a practical and cost-effective way to ensure you're prepared for any situation. Not only do you save money, but you also have control over what goes into your food. Give this recipe a try, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're ready for anything.